केंद्र मंत्री कृष्ण रेड्डी गारू एंड माय डियर जर्नलिस्ट एंड स्क्राइब्स, लगभग सभी बातें आपके ही भाषा में सुंदर तरीके से अपने प्रिय मंत्री जी ने, रिसेप्शन कमेटी अध्यक्ष, बताया है. सो आई डोंट थिंक दैट एनीथिंग मोर इज देयर टू ऐड. इसलिए आपको कुछ इसका ज़्यादा जानकारी चाहिए तो मैं उसके बारे में बताऊंगा. लोकमंथन, एज मंत्री जी has said, ये एक चर्निंग, एक मथनम है. लोक मीन्स जानपद. लोक doesn't mean a particular community. Lok doesn't mean a particular community living in a given geographical area. It is the original culture, the fundamental culture of this great nation. Some people are trying to divide our society on the lines of the caste, tribe, creed, and language. Some are trying to create binaries. So it is our duty, राष्ट्र सर्वोपरि विचारकों का, मीडिया पीपल का ड्यूटी है, कर्तव्य है, भारत के अंदर एकता को फिर से मजबूत करने का. भारत एक है, यहां बहुत सारे डाइवर्सिटीज हमको देखने को मिलते हैं, लेकिन इंटरनली वी आर वन. लोकमंथन का मैसेज वही है. इसलिए आदरणीय मंत्री जी ने बताया, वनवासी है तो भी, ग्रामवासी है तो भी, नगरवासी है तो भी, हम सब भारतवासी है. इसमें कोई डिफरेंस नहीं है. यह साबित करने के लिए उस संवाद का, उस स्वास्थ्यजनक हेल्थी डायलॉग को फिर से प्रारंभ करने के लिए लोकमंथन इस कार्यक्रम के रूप में आपके सामने आ रहा है. इसके लिए पहला काम हमारे मन को डीकॉलोनाइज करने का है. अभी का बहुत बड़ा प्रॉब्लम, मन अभी भी कॉलोनाइज्ड माइंडसेट में है. सो द फर्स्ट लोकमंथन, it has already been mentioned, it was from Bhopal it started. The first theme was decolonizing Indian minds and transforming it into Bharatiya Man. I think you got the message. Decolonizing Indian minds and transforming it into Bharatiya Man. This was the first theme. For that purpose, there are a lot of things to be done in the intellectual, cultural, educational field. That's the main area wherein which we have to act. It is very much necessary. It was a golden opportunity for us when we got freedom in 1947, August 15th. This dialogue could have been started properly. I don't want to blame anyone. I don't want to criticize anyone. But unfortunately, it didn't happen at that moment. Again, I am saying, राष्ट्र सर्वोपरि विचारकों के, कर्मशीलों का काम है इसको रिस्टार्ट करने के लिए, वो संवाद को फिर से मजबूत करने का. भारत के अंदर कोई बाइनरी नहीं है, ये साबित करने के लिए 2016 में यह कार्यक्रम प्रारंभ हुआ भोपाल से. 2 years, इट इज अ बाइएनियल इवेंट और द्वैवार्षिक कार्यक्रम है. इसमें विचारक भी रहते हैं, साथ ही साथ कर्मशील लोग भी रहते हैं. एक ही मंच पर दोनों आकर भारत के बारे में, भारत के संस्कृति के बारे में, हमारे इंट्रिंसिक यूनिटी के बारे में चर्चा करते हैं. कितने लोग पार्टिसिपेट कर रहे हैं, कौन इस बार कार्यक्रम इनॉग्रेट करते हैं, ये सब बातों के बारे में मंत्री जी आपके सम्मुख स्पष्ट रूप में व्यक्त कर दिया है. फिर भी आपको जो कुछ बातें आवश्यकता है ये प्रश्न नोट के रूप में आपके पास आ चुके हैं. 1500 आर्टिस्ट भाग रहे हैं, 1500. That's why generally the media people and intellectuals are saying that this is the greatest, largest cultural festival of Bharat. सबसे बड़ा 1500 cultural activists, and they are performing near about 150 art forms, cultural performance. Right from Kanyakumari to Kashmir, कलाकार इधर आ रहे हैं. Not only from inside political Bharat, there is a Brihat Bharat or Sanskritik Bharat in the whole world. Such people are also coming to perform. For example, Kechak dance on the basis of Ramayana, which is being performed by Indonesian कलाकार, बाली के कलाकार, वो आकर केचक डांस का परफॉर्मेंस यहां कर रहे हैं. Not only that, you may be quite aware about the pre-Abrahamic religions and traditions of Bharat, of world. Yazidi, Romo, I am not saying about Roma, Romo of Armenia, Assyria, इराक से, लिथुआनिया से, बाल्टिक स्टेट्स का लिथुआनिया, वहां से भी कलाकार आ रहे हैं. They are showing their traditional, cultural, customary practices like Surya Arathana. It is quite common in Bharat. Like Agni Arathana or Havana. It is all being performed here. So it's a grand opportunity for peoples of Bhagyanagar to watch it. For that purpose, to see that cultural exposition of 1500 plus कलाकारों के प्रदर्शन देखने का अवसर है. एंड इसके साथ साथ एग्जीबिशन के जो बात बताया था, लगभग 10 राज्यों के, उत्तर प्रदेश, उत्तराखंड जैसे, मध्य प्रदेश, तेलंगाना, गोवा, गुजरात, इसके पवेलियंस, कल्चरल एस्पेक्ट्स का जो पवेलियन यहां होंगे. और परफॉर्मेंस के साथ साथ भारत के प्राचीन परंपरा के आधार विकसित हुए गेम्स का, फूड हैबिट्स का प्रदर्शन भी यहां होने वाला है. सो इसमें आदरणीय राष्ट्रपति इनॉग्रेट करेंगे. केंद्र खनी और इसका जो मंत्री स्वयं अपने अध्यक्ष किशन रेड्डी गारू चारों दिन हमारे साथ रहने वाला है कार्यक्रम में. वैल्डिक्टरी फंक्शन में अपना संस्कृति मंत्री किशन रेड्डी गारू जो संस्कृति के मंत्री थे पिछले बार, अभी का जो वर्तमान कल्चरल मिनिस्टर आदरणीय शेखावत जी, गजेंद्र सिंह शेखावत जी उपस्थित रहेंगे. वैल्डिक्टरी फंक्शन में भारत के फाइनेंस मिनिस्टर निर्मला सीतारामन जी रहेंगे. वैल्डिक्टरी मैसेज विल बी गिवन बाय डॉक्टर मोहन भागवत, राष्ट्रीय स्वयंसेवक संघ के सरसंघचालक, एंड मिथिलेश नंदिनी जो पूज्य स्वामी जी विल गिव आशीर्वचन. तेलंगाना के आदरणीय गवर्नर के साथ गुजरात के गवर्नर आचार्य देवव्रत जी is also participating. So you will get a glimpse of the programs through this short PPT. Please watch. It is all there in the brochure and everything. A virtual brochure, I am going to present it as a PPT. This has been explained. Adaraniya Purva Vice President of India, Sri Venkaiah Naidu ji will inaugurate exhibition on 21 सुबह 10 बजे. And evening, the cultural program, we are requesting our Adaraniya Adhyaksha ji to inaugurate the cultural program at 6 p.m. There will be 3 major cultural events on that day. These are all, each and every program is a news, if you can closely watch. See, Kala Sangarshini Pravesha, a Kuchipudi performance on the basis of Kashmiri Shaivism philosophy, performing by a Kerala artist. Kerala Kashmir Connect, you can see. Kashmiri Shaivism philosophy developed by Acharya Abhinav Gupta. That program will be performed by a Kerala artist, Rachana Narayanan Gutti. Then comes a musical performance by Armenia group that I have already mentioned. Then Aapka Hi Jugalbandi. Day 2, that is the inauguration of the Lok Manthan. It will begin with the fire rituals of Romas. Romas is a community from, again from Lithuania. They are performing fire performance. That means it is not Ganesha Havana of Amare Hanke. It will be performed by a pre-Abrahamic religion, जो group perform करेंगे. Again, then comes the most auspicious occasion of Lok Manthan, inaugurated by Honorable President of Bharat, Srimati Draupadi Murmu ji. So these great personalities will be on stage. हमारे Governor, Mukhyamantri ji, Mohan ji Bhagwat will also be on stage. Adaraniya Mantri ji and Padma Shri Hanuman Chaudhary Garu ji, apna jo working president, they will be on stage. Then comes the second session. The keynote address will be given by the most famous, learned Loka Vicharak, Janapada Vicharak, Pavan Gupta ji, who is the founding director of Siddh. Then one by one the sessions will start. Loka Jeevana Drishti, it has already been mentioned, The whole program will be concentrating upon लोक अवलोकन, इसमें लोक विचार, लोक व्यवस्था एंड लोक व्यवहार, इसमें जीवन दृष्टि के बारे में फर्स्ट सेशन होंगे. सेकंड सेशन विल बी चेयर्ड बाय आचार्य देवव्रत जी, Honorable Governor of Gujarat, in which Gujarat Vice Chancellor is also one of the speakers, a person who is living his whole life in Japan, Anirban Bandyopadhyaya, will present his views. Okay, then pass on. And evening 6 o'clock, there will be a cultural program performed by sons of sun, Surya Putra. Yes, Surya Putra is, they are known as Surya Putras. They are from Armenia. They will perform. And after that, there will be a drama, a stage performance on Punya Shloka Ahilya Devi Holkar, the Lok Mata. It's a drama. So that you are all invited for these programs and inauguration. Okay. Along with family, please come, because when we are saying this culture unites us, it is being performed there and you can feel it. That's it. Okay. Day 3, 23rd. Okay. It will begin with the sun worship of Armenia group. Already Lithuania and then Armenia and then Romo group. These are all I have shown. And those who are from television channel side, you will get enough visuals. It is having rich color. Then Lok Sahitya ke upar Indira Gandhi Rashtriya IGRMS के member secretary Sachidanand Joshi ji से लेकर कई लोग, ठीक है. This will be distributed to you later on. Okay. लोक चेतना में पर्यावरण, लोग सही में पर्यावरण को एक फेवर के रूप में करने वाला नहीं है लोक जनता. लोग तो अपना खुद का काम इस रूप में करते हैं. हम शहरीय जो लोग सामान्यतः एनवायरनमेंट के बारे में कुछ किया है तो वी आर थिंकिंग दैट वी आर डूइंग सम सर्विस, बट दे आर डूइंग इट as same as they are breathing. That is the speciality. That will be performed, that will be explained by Gopal Arya ji, water woman Shipra Pathak and all. Okay. Then in the evening and the whole day, in the noon, there will be presentations by foreign शब्द भारतीय विचार के आधार पर ठीक नहीं है, for understanding purpose it has been used. This Armenia group, Yazidi group, Indonesian group and Lithuania there will be. Okay. Then Lok Artha Shastra, that will be another session. Lok Economics, Sarva Samaveshi Vyavastha, all encompassing system, इसके ऊपर discussion होंगे. Then every day by 6 o'clock there will be cultural programs. On 23rd it will be Kechak dance by, I have already said, from Bali there will be a cultural group performing Kechak dance. And then that is a major program, I would like to say, as far as the people from Bhagyanagar, Telangana, Andhra Pradesh is concerned. Dayagaja Kesari Maharani Rudrama Devi के ऊपर एक नया नाटक means already dramas are there, but present context में रुद्रमा देवी जी का दायगज केसरी ऐसा कहने का कारण क्या है, महारानी ऐसा पद कैसे मिला है, ये सब विषयों को प्रस्तुत करने वाला रुद्रमा देवी जी के ऊपर एक नाटक होंगे. That will be on 20, please note, 23rd by 6 o'clock or 6:15. Okay. Yazidi group, I have already mentioned 2-3 times about Yazidi group. What is Yazidi group? Yazidi group is such a religious customary practice करने वाले लोग हैं, still following the Kartikeya Parambara. I would like to say it as Kartikeya Parambara, keeping the Morke Pangudi, feathers of peacock as their symbol. They are being cruelly attacked, persecuted, executed by the Islamic fundamentalists of Syria, Iraq and all. Still some are surviving. They are also coming. Their representatives are also coming. There we can experience, they can feel, you can understand their unka jo courageous journey which they have survived. Onslaught को survive किया कैसे, वो हमको देखने को मिलेगा. That Yazidi group will also be there. Okay. Then comes the last day. Morning again SED will perform sun worship, and JNU VC, Professor Shantisri Dulipudi Pandit and all others will speak on Loka Suraksha and Nyaya, security and justice. Then Vikas ki Avatharana. This is also one of the important sessions. विकास की अवधारणा लोक के लिए, जानपद के लिए विकास की एक अवधारणा है. That is not at all very similar to our materialistic way or thought about the विकास development के बारे में. That will be explained. Then this is the Samarop function, in which of course our Adhyaksha ji will be there, but Ashirvachan by Acharya Midhilesh Nandini Sharan ji, Margadarshan by Pujaniya Sarsanga Chalak ji, and Nirmala Sitaraman ji and Gajendra Singh Shekhawat ji will also participate in the valedictory function. So this is just a glimpse about what all are happening in Shilpakala Vedika. At the same time in Shilpakala Aram, there will be more than 1,500 Kalakars, artists who are performing simultaneously there. Their stages, their pavilions will वो तो चलते रहेंगे शिल्पारामम में. एक और बात आप सभी के द्वारा मैं माध्यम से मैं बताना चाहता हूं, एंट्री टू शिल्पाराम इज फ्री ऑन दोस 4 days. सो आप कृपया इसका भी नोट करने की आवश्यकता है, क्योंकि काइंडली द डिपार्टमेंट हैज कंसेंटेड एंड दे आर ऑल्सो कोलैबोरेटिंग. शिल्पारामम का जो एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन इज कोलैबोरेटिंग विद लोकमंथन समिति and the entry is free. So all are invited for all these things. Only the major programs in the main venue has been explained here. This is all registration. Summary of what which I have said. On 21st, there will be inauguration of exhibition. Cultural events का inauguration होंगे. 22nd को लोक मंथन का inauguration by आदरणीय राष्ट्रपति जी. 23rd को 4 special sessions and cultural programs. 24th को समापन है. 2 cultural expositions भी होंगे and 2 sessions will be there. This is the social media of Lok Manthan.
ఈ వీడియో మీకు నచ్చినట్టయితే లైక్ చేయండి, 10 మందికి షేర్ చేయండి. అలాగే కామెంట్ల రూపంలో మీ అభిప్రాయాలను మాతో పంచుకోండి. నేషనలిస్ట్ హబ్ గ్రూప్ ఆఫ్ ఛానల్స్ ను సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేసుకుని తెలుగునాట జాతీయవాద జర్నలిజాన్ని ప్రోత్సహించండి. ఈ వీడియో కింద ఉన్న బెల్ ఐకాన్ పై క్లిక్ చేయడం మర్చిపోవద్దు.